In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Docs paper size to folio with ease. This process is quite straightforward, but very effective in getting your documents formatted just right for long bond paper, which is often essential for certain types of professional projects or academic assignments. So, let's dive into it and walk through the steps together to ensure you get this done without a hitch. To start, you'll want to have your Google Docs file open in front of you. This is your canvas, and you'll be making some critical adjustments to it. Once the document is loaded on your screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you will find the File menu. Clicking on this will drop down a list of options related to your document. It's like unlocking a tool chest, with this particular tool chest packed with all sorts of settings that you might need to enhance your file. From the File menu that you've just opened, scroll down to find the Page Setup option and give it a click. This is where you'll be able to control various aspects of how your document appears on a page. Now, on this new window that pops up, look for the drop-down menu labeled Paper Size. Give this a click, and you'll be presented with a list of different sizing options. It's like browsing through a collection of canvases, each different in their own size and shape. When the drop-down menu appears, go ahead and carefully choose Folio, which is listed as 8.5 by 13 inches, from the array of paper sizes provided. It's crucial to select this to conform to the long bond paper dimensions. Once you've made that selection, double-check to confirm it's properly highlighted. After selecting Folio, it's time to cement the changes. Find and press the OK button at the bottom of the Page Setup window. This action confirms your choice, applying the new dimensions to your document. With that final step completed, your document layout will be updated to the folio size of 8.5 by 13 inches, making it perfectly suited for long bond paper. It's fantastic how a few clicks can make such a big difference in how your document is presented. Knowing how to tweak this setting is a beneficial skill, as it allows you to tailor document formats to fit your specific needs, be it for work, school, or personal projects. And that's it! You've successfully changed your document's paper size to folio in just a few easy steps. Remember, having the right setup can greatly impact how your work is perceived, so don't hesitate to revisit these settings anytime your project requirements change. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.